Here are 5 quote-unquote new stocks to keep watching in 2025, meaning they're still relatively new to the stock market, having had their IPOs in mid to late 2024, so they're still settling in. Now, class, let's begin from the end of the alphabet with ZSpace, which is in the business of augmented reality and virtual reality hardware and software for interactive education. This is delivered through a stereoscopic 3D learning experience without the need for VR goggles or specialty glasses. They offer hands-on, learning by doing solutions meant to enhance the learning process and drive higher student test scores. The platform serves a broad range of educational tools designed for K-12 science, technology, engineering, and math, the so-called STEM subjects, as well as training skilled trades in areas such as health sciences, automotive engineering and repair, Unity 3D software programming, and advanced manufacturing. They sell their platform directly to United States school districts and community colleges, with international sales relying on resellers. Over in the health sector, Tempus AI is helping to more easily integrate technology, data, and AI into precision medicine by intelligent diagnostics through AI, with the goal to make laboratory tests more accurate, tailored, and personalized by connecting laboratory results to a patient's clinical data, resulting in physicians and researchers being able to make personalized, data-driven decisions that improve patient care. To achieve this, they built the Tempus platform, which comprises a technology platform to free healthcare data from silos and an operating system to make the resulting data useful. Tempus's platform includes proprietary software and dedicated data pipelines to create a network of healthcare institutions through approximately 700 unique data connections across around 3,000 healthcare institutions. The database comprises over 7.3 million de-identified patient records with rich clinical text, imaging data, matched genomic and clinical information, and transcriptomic profiles. With the aim of democratizing near real-time molecular, clinical, and imaging data, Tempus has amassed over 900 million documents and 240 petabytes of data. They believe this unique data set enables them to bring generative AI and large language models to healthcare, creating AI-based applications for better patient treatment and previously unattainable innovations. The company collects data from healthcare institutions in their capacity as a covered entity or business associate, and offers analytical and decision support capabilities through their unified multimodal database. Pricing for their services will vary depending on the extent of functionality and customization used. When it comes to AI on the road, Pony AI is working on advancing commercialization of autonomous mobility technology. It has been among the first to reach large-scale commercialization of autonomous mobility. They have successfully developed driverless robotaxis, which are now part of the daily lives of many residents in China's largest cities. These robotaxis can be hailed through their Pony Pilot mobile app and operate smoothly, handling unexpected obstacles. Pony has obtained licenses to operate fully driverless robotaxis in all 4 Tier 1 cities in China: Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and is the only autonomous driving technology company that has obtained all necessary regulatory permits for providing public-facing robotaxi services within these areas. Quite remarkable considering Pony AI was founded in Silicon Valley in 2016. Since then, they have become pioneers in extending autonomous mobility technologies across the world rapidly. Pony operates robotaxi, robotruck, and personally owned vehicle (POV) business units, focusing on commercializing autonomous driving safely on a global scale. Pony's development for autonomous vehicles focuses on developing technologies that can handle various challenging road scenarios across the US and China, ensuring safe deployment of these vehicles. A multi-sensor fusion approach is used to provide accurate location data and combine strengths of heuristic approaches and deep learning models in their perception module for better performance and safety. In the field of nuclear power, nanonuclear gains lots of attention for development of smaller, cheaper, and safer nuclear reactors that are portable, as well as their comprehensive approach to be integrated across every sector of the nuclear power industry, ranging from commercial nuclear fuel transportation to consulting services. They have a stated focus on developing next-generation advanced nuclear microreactors, Zeus and Odin, advancing the portable, on-demand capable, advanced nuclear microreactors, collaborating with U.S. national nuclear laboratories and government support, and aiming to commercially launch one of these products by 2030 to 2031. Both Zeus and Odin have moved from design stages to physical test work stages, with initial rig construction currently underway. They've completed external design audits on both reactors conducted and completed by the Idaho National Laboratory, INL. Sites are being identified for their prototype reactor to conduct physical test work using nuclear material for both microreactors and has communicated with the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC, and Department of Energy, DOE, regarding the status of their microreactor designs and estimated internal timelines for their microreactor developments. Then, in the area of aviation, StandardAero provides aerospace engine aftermarket services for fixed and rotary wing aircraft in commercial, military, and business aviation markets. Conducting scheduled and unscheduled engine maintenance, repair and overhaul, component repair, on-wing and field service support, asset management, and engineering services. The varied customer base and engine platform portfolio have contributed to their resilient longevity, with the majority of revenue coming from long-term contractual agreements. Strong relationships are maintained with an extensive range of original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, like GE Aerospace, CFM International, Pratt & Whitney, Rolls-Royce, Honeywell, and Safran, as well as carriers like American Airlines and Southwest Airlines. StandardAero holds licenses and authorizations from OEMs for over 40 key engine platforms, providing critical maintenance and overhaul work. These licenses grant preferred access to OEM parts and technical information, warranty support, and the ability to use the OEM name in marketing efforts, something that has undoubtedly helped build long-term relationships with approximately 5,000 global clients. For more detail on each of these companies, check out their respective videos that are already up now. And for coverage of other companies, as well as detailed technical analysis tutorials, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.